Hello everyone. Welcome to the last task of this week, week 3, task number 15. Here, this is a very simple bonus task where you have to do is you just have to add two numbers without actually using the addition operator. Okay, so this is a bit tricky. Let's begin. Let's take two numbers a and b. Let's take the input from the user, enter two numbers a comma b, right, and I will do scanf percentage d comma percentage d and ampersand a comma ampersand b. Very important to add ampersand sign. Okay, and here is the logic. I want to do addition, so I should have another variable to store the sum. Okay, sum. Now sum is equal to, now usually to add two numbers we would use a plus b, right? So it is very simple program, but here we have to do addition but without using the plus operator, so we are not allowed to use plus. Okay, so it is actually very simple. Let's do minus a minus, so minus a minus b, right, and then I am going to multiply it with minus 1. Okay, I will printf sum equal to percentage d sum. Okay, run. I enter three numbers 3 and 4, enter, you get the value of sum as 7. Perfect. Okay, so this was just a small tricky question. This is basically we are using the concept of mathematics to replace the plus operator with minus and multiplication. Okay, so I hope you have understood today this week's programs. We will see you in the next week.